Look at all the snow. And this is definitely, oh, it's not frozen. Just a minute. There's Castle. There's an egg. Come on, Daddy. Yeah, there's an egg. I think that was laid from Brownie. You see the snow? But you're not getting snowed on? Don't you fly out, girl. They will fly out. They kind of like the snow, but it's way too cold. Yes, they can eat the snow. They love eating snow. Don't you fly out, girl. Daddy, you're too old. Am I spilling a little snow? Yeah. Gotta close them. Gotta close them. Okay, girl. You've been dying to get that, haven't you? Yep. Yeah. She's gonna destroy it now. Are you burying Murray? Are you burying him? Yeah, it's like I don't like the snow too much. I'm not a snow goat. Did she bury you in snow? Is that why you're always covered in snow? Cause that girl? I can't believe you're not up there too. She goes up there too sometimes. But she really loves being on top of the hay. We're just like, I love the snow. I love, you know. And she's just going to, oh, there she goes. There's McGarrett. She gonna stop burying now, or you gonna jump back up there? You gonna show everybody that you got it up there? Gonna get it back up there? No, you're gonna be done. Did a little bit show you that? A little bit show you that? Come on, Violet. Get up there too on him? You're not gonna do that today. You're gonna do that today?